Beach.
Big guy, big guy, big guy.
We're at the beach.
I like the beach.
I like the beach.
The water. Here's our camp. You're not gonna say hi?
Hey.
No, it's not. Okay, guys, we're now having our wheats
And sandwich.
and some Cheetos. ASMR. This is gross. This is gross. Here's my Cheeto. Okay, guys. Today I'm going to be doing ASMR with the Cheeto. I can't hear you.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Is it on? I have some grapes and they're green. They don't look crunchy, but they are. Open them. Here's the grape. Very good. One more. Very good. Started choking a little bit, but that's okay. One more, I can't help myself. Oh, one more, I can't help myself. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now it's my turn.
Don't they make you joke?
Okay, that's enough. Okay, right now we're in Dip's shop. She's trying on some glasses.
Isn't bad. Am I even cinematic?
Oh.
I look like a grandma.
Yeah.
And they're not low lens. Let's find. These are cool.
Let's keep on going. Flip flops. Oh, I like this color. I hate hats. They make my head sad.
We have to recreate our picture.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna recreate a picture that we took here last year, almost exactly a year ago. Which hat should I? I'm gonna do the pink one because I had a pink one.
And how was my mouth?
Hold on. These are our hats. We're gonna get these. We're gonna wear these to when we go to our haircut.
And we're gonna wear them to the football game tonight.
Yeah, and to the Chilli's takeover.
Tune in.
Okay, guys, we just helped a guy carry his cooler all around. It was so heavy. Yeah. And then he started laughing, and then he thought,
he made us help him carry.
yeah. I'm so out of breath.
And she has calluses on her hands.
Yeah. Well, you can't even see him, but.
And now we're deciding what to order. I love it.
Okay, so.
Why film the ground?
Because I don't want to. Okay, so actually the drinks were like $13, and we were not about to buy that. So, now we're just heading back. Beach. I like the beach.
I like the beach.
I like the beach. If you know, you know. I'll put. Yeah, they don't.
All right, guys, we're taking some pictures. Check our Instagrams if we post them. Cute.
Yeah.
The heck?
Okay, guys, so right now we were looking for, oh my god, my hair. We're looking for photo places, but they're not really working out. How do I?
The house is so pretty. That's
I
like
know.
a perfect mix between nature and... Look how pretty that house is. Gorgeous.
Okay, we're LARPing the BM. Maybach music. BMW music.
This is for BMW.
Maybach. Hopping them up. Jet like that. Net like that.
That's a cute little thing.
Yeah, it is. Stop filming me.
It's so pretty, the camera doesn't pick it up. Look how clear. This is beautiful.
Okay, go. That was so bad. Just keep going. Keep your body straight. Keep your legs straight. Keep bending your legs. Go. No. Okay, but you literally went like this. That was better. That was better. Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done here. Hey guys, we're back in the shower and we're feeling tan and pink. She's drying her hair. And I'm doing my hairstyle. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay guys, we're now leaving my house. So we're going to Anna's house now. Getting ready. We're gonna change into our jerseys later.
Those are our options over there. If you wear the white Dodgers one, I'll wear the Giants one.
Okay. Perfect.
That's my last name if you didn't know.
Just doing my makeup. Yeah, I think everybody knows.
Take my scoot over a little.
Fine. We're all ready in our outfits. I'm wearing, thank you, Dodgers jersey. She's wearing
Bucks. I mean, Notre Dame jersey.
yeah. So got my camera, got my bag. We're going now. Guys, we're at the game now.
It's halftime and I'm free.
Wait, you brought your mic, right?
Yeah, it's in the car. Yeah.
MUKBANG.
Here.
We're doing a live.
Yeah, we are.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Dude, that was you? Hey, no. Hey, get him off the quarterback.
Say hi to the quarterback. Say hi to the
Huh? Oh, yeah, cut that out, actually. Cut that out. Where's QB? I remember.
my hair. We're past halftime now. Yeah. But
They don't need me in the back. Give me in there.
okay.
You gotta get Zoe doing her libs.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know. You can stop. No, she's recording Zoe. Put it up, babe.
Okay. Okay, we got their time. Oh my gosh, I like sunburned.
I'm feeling cute.
Yeah, me too.
They're not gonna see it.
To their feet because they're extremely dirty after moonwalking. Oh my gosh, dirty.
I wasn't just moonwalking. I also played FB.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Do it again.
Aww.
so.
I'm getting stage fright.
About Martin. Go.
I really can't.
Now we're going to Chilli.
Okay, guys, we're right. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna eat. We're gonna open our drinks. We're here with Sully and Valerie. We're waiting for the rest of our group to get here. Oh my god.
So, we're opening our straws.
We're gonna do some
I already
ASMR. Shut up.
Mommy, can I get some money?
Do you want to try it? Stop, try it. I need to know if it's a Dr. Pepper or a Coke. I don't know.
Dr. Pepper.
Coke.
Oh my god.
Right in the microphone.
We're gonna share the chicken dipper thing. It's right here. Okay, are we done?
We're done. Bye. We'll see you in a bit.
Tipping?
Well, since they already think we're not going,
Yeah, why not
Yeah, why not
do
just
what they think?
Hey, tilt it up a little bit. Hey, yo, do. ASMR. So this is how you do it. It's a new YouTube video, and we're vlogging at the football game. Hey. Alright, we're done.
Chilli's, I got the triple dipper with honey mozzarella sauce. I got big slices with
Oh. Hit the mic over there.
Eli is a child. Eli is a child. And he's a child. And might be hurt.
What? I got lava cake.
You'll hear it in
I got
the
lava
mic
cake.
later.
Oh, okay. I got lava cake.
he wants a milkshake after, even though we're already getting like 5 desserts. Not getting
promise you,
milkshake.
I'm gonna Oh, right here. Turn this off.
Okay, guys, we have some chips and salsa. Here's the chip.
Horrible.
Splash.
Got a little more.
Feature.
I'm eating.
Solimar, why are you hiding?
Your turn.
What? Put the camera more there.
Sensational.
Do it.
Here's a chip.
It's okay. Just make something. Blow some bubbles. Blow bubbles. Why not?
So good. Anna's finger is right in it. Wow, we got a whole stack right here.
Wow, 3 different. We're gonna need a lot of cheese. Dropping I need a mic.
That's like,
Yeah, I want the mic.
Okay, so
here, hold this. Hold it. Oh, it's okay. I have French fry, chicken tender.
Yeah, bite into that shit.
No, it's actually redoing.
You gotta get the whole cake.
Well, you weren't